Hi, this is Joel Smith with Intero Real Estate. I'm going to provide you a market report on 95124 area or zip code. And this is basically going to tell you what's going on in the market for the past 30 days as well as the last year. So the map shows us the area that this is comprised of. And part of it includes Willow Glen, and part of it includes Cambrian. In the general stats, we currently have 25 properties that are actively on the market, and the average days on market is currently 8 days. Average days on market for sold homes for the past 30 days was 32 days. In terms of change, that's 11.1% change from last month. And in terms of an annual change, it's down 17.9% in terms of days on market. In terms of listings, the median price for the last 30 days is 1.298 million, and there really hasn't been any change over the last month. In terms of a year-over-year change, we're up 18.7% in terms of the median listing price, and the listing price per square foot is in the $770 range. In terms of sales, the median price is 1.54 for the past 30 days. That's an increase of 9.8% over a month ago, and the year-over-year change is 29%. And the average price per square foot on sold property is $871.68. And we're coming down to the median listing price. You can see this graphically. Right now, median listing price, as I mentioned before, is 1.25. And you can see we've had a little bit of a kind of a roller coaster effect. This can be affected by larger homes coming on at the market at certain times, and sometimes smaller, less expensive homes coming on at a certain time. In terms of the sales price, you can see it's pretty much, for the most part, been fairly consistent in terms of upward growth. And this is over the last year. So a year ago, it was 1.139 million, and now we're at 1.565 million. In terms of the number of sales, you can see we've bounced around quite a bit in the last year in terms of number of sales. The low point were 21 sales in January 8th of this year, and it started to creep up a little bit in February to 23. High point thus far this year is 45, and to date we've dropped down a little bit to 32. Okay, in terms of days on market, you can see that we've had a couple spikes here, July and January. Okay, and what I would say is with fewer sales, that links up well with more days on market. And then we had a drop here in February to 30. And so again, we're seeing that as inventory is depleted, there are going to be fewer days on market. In terms of number of properties for sale, and this is by square footage, you can see there's an interesting distribution, and this is lot size. So most of the homes for sale right now have a lot size of 6,000 to 7,000 square feet, and this is the distribution in terms of listings by square footage of the home. And you can see most homes, the highest number of homes for sale are 9 in the 1,200 to 1,499 range. Okay, and then the last thing here in terms of graphic, number of sale listings and listing price. So you can see most of the sales came, 8 sales came in at 1.2 to 1.39. And then this is a distribution of sale price to square footage, what that relationship is. So here's one at 1.198 1,400 square feet, and here's one that was 1,550 in terms of the price, and 902 in terms of square footage. And again, this is listing price, and this is listing price. And then these are the recently sold homes. And then this is more statistics as it relates to number of bedrooms and bathrooms. If you would like a free market update emailed to you, you can email me at move@joelandsuzy.com. That's Suzy with a Z, SUZY.com. And I'll be glad to provide you with a free, no obligation market update report. Thank you.